Hi, I'm Tony Lydiot. I'm Chairman of Tennis here at Neston Club.
Simon Spears. I'm a regular player on the tennis section and run a social side.
Right, we've been struggling for over 12 months with lack of availability of lights. They were inconsistent, they would go. We then got some lights in to replace them, which weren't good enough. And so for the whole of this winter season since October, we've been playing with very reduced lighting on all the courts. There's been one court which has nearly been up to scratch, and the other three have been very poor. And I've been getting it in the neck from all the members about the fact that we need to do something about these lights, and finally we have.
I've been also getting complaints every week about the standard of the lights. It's taken up to 12 months, as Tony has already alluded to get them replaced, and we thought it was going to take a lot longer. However, we got in hold of you guys, and within a few weeks you've got our product in that's absolutely superb and allows us to play tennis at a very, very high level.
Yep. The thing we've been particularly pleased with was the speed with which the lights were put in. They were put in one day. We were expecting to take 2 days, and that was great. And also the price was very competitive, and we are very pleased with the service we've received.